What's up? I'm Hugz, that's Sam, Hot Sam, and today we're coming at you with another Morissette reaction. Y'all seem to enjoy the one we did yesterday so much, and a lot of people have been requesting this video, so we figured we'd check it out. It's Fly Like a Bird, right? And Mariah Carey featuring Kiko, Salazar, and Adonis Tabanda, which I think Adonis Tabanda was the dude from 3rd Avenue, right? That they were saying was so, like her musical something, like his musical something important.
Yeah.
I don't remember what it was.
He was on the screen twice.
Yeah. Yeah, but I think they said like he has some significance as like something.
Cool.
Let's go ahead and jump into it. See what's going down. I just wanted to say basically I think he was in the other video. So that dude. I think it's that dude. Yeah.
Yep. Oh hey.
He's on the video again, yeah.
Alright.
This one got a little funk on it.
Yeah.
A little stanky. I love that face.
Yeah.
You gotta make that face with
He's like, yeah, I got my bass. She's so good.
Oh, snap. She has this like innocence and like swagger at the same time.
She's
it's
like, I got a halo, but I also got black shirt on.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
like. This is such like a chill. Was this like all part of like a certain session or something? It feels
I don't know,
like.
but I love it.
Yeah.
It's probably like quarantine sessions, but it's like
It feels like it was like a concert.
Yeah, it's like continue this forever. These are good. The black and white. She's so good.
I love that
cool.
right there. Yeah, that was legit.
All right. All right. She put some sass on this. Look, she's just enjoying herself. Like.
Oh, here we go. And she just like throws it up. She's like,
yeah.
I like how his instrument just changes randomly, like as they
Yeah.
She's good. She going to church.
Yeah. Her ponytail hit her lights behind her. She's like flipping that ponytail. Oh my gosh.
Damn. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
She's taking it to another level.
Yes. She just makes it seem so easy, like.
This dude killing it too, I think. Oh, there we go. Wow. Yo.
Look at that smile. Look at that smile.
Like,
look at her. She's
10
so
for the
cute.
dismount. 10 for the dismount.
So cute.
She's like, done.
Oh my god. she is adorable and talented and everything.
Great video. I love the style, the way they shoot this is the same as like Rise Up.
Yeah.
I wonder if this was all part of like some sort of session that they did during quarantine or something, but it's really cool. It's got this concert vibe. Mm-hmm. It's got this really fun, like chill, whatever. Well, I don't think it was like a concert because you could tell it was like multiple different performance shots because like the light stopped.
Right.
Like moving behind her and stuff. Like it was multiple angle or multiple like times.
Yeah.
But I liked it a lot. I thought it was really cool.
Yeah, no, I want to see more. I mean, I know y'all like totally request them if there's more, but if there are more like this, request it.
We'll definitely see more. They said. See what I did there? All right, but let us know what you thought in the comment section down below. Like if you did, sub if you don't already. Let us know what to watch next. We'll be back with more videos. We love you guys. Bye.